That was it.
Oh, is that right?
Yep. Now Aaron, I was talking to Aaron today, and he says,
Nine up here. I tried getting back here one time. I put the other radio back on. I heard 2.9.
So it's pretty primitive, but I mean it serves its function. It's dry, it's clean.
absolutely.
We have our main fusion here. We've got a backup machine here. That's a homebrew that we used for years here. That's on 147.3. It's a homebrew. I don't even know who built it anymore. Just use his machine for public service along with 443.9. Dan Metric took this this amplifier set here for a number of years. I don't know how we got it. Somebody donated it to us.
Wow, I never thought I was in the South.
Where are you exactly?
You know where the dam is on Route 38?
Yeah.
Over the hill from there.
Most of the day. What do you think, Chuck? Set the amp right on top of the repeater.
Is it rack mountable?
No.
I don't know, what does it say on there? 30 in, 170 out. That's coming from the antenna.
Right here. That's the antenna. Comes down here, goes right into the duplexer, which is the output of the radio.
Right.
Where it
Okay?
says the antenna?
Right, exactly.
That's the reason why you need the duplex.
I'm going to put the
And most of these radios you do, you don't
repeater
have
back in,
Right, right.
put the AC power back in. Here we go.
Who are you?
Dale, KC3GYU.
Okay, Dale. KC3.
Hi, Dale.
Hey.
You're a better con man than I am.
You got a base made down
Yeah.
at
Amateurs, okay.
You made a base.
Oh, yeah, I know. These are makeshift terminals. Makeshift terminals. That's the one that I have. There, Jim.
I'm trying to make it fat enough so we can, because of the lug's so big
You have one.
14 inches out.
that
You hold it all the time.
you can't use the proper gauge.
Everything was fine.
You can't use the proper terminal for the proper gauge.
Oh,
But you know, in fact, guys are reprogramming the computers on them and getting another 30 horse out of them, and they're street legal in India. My coworkers in India.
There we go.
do some testing. I didn't bring my hand.
I just left mine in the Jeep. Well, I'm sure Joe's got one.
Joe left.
Joe,
No, the other Joe has one.
They're going out in the car.
HRX.
That's what mine's at.
HRX.
Record the smoke.
What was that? What's that? Was hooked up to the power supply, but we weren't using the power supply before. So I took the wires off and I just hooked them back up onto the power supply. But we don't need it.
Tom can record the smoke.
All right.
You can tell us where the smoke's coming from.
Get a good picture of it.
Got a
That's
good
much
transmit light. You need to go in there, keep your conversations short. Don't wind on and on because the repeater, like I said, it's got a pretty big heat sink on top. But it's the one we have up at the 911 center, or we used to have up at the 911 center. That was a continuous duty amp. You could talk as long as you wanted on that, and that sucker would.
So you'd have to drop it every now and then.
Ain't that the truth?
even TXT
Did you
is
do anything
possible.
with the squelch tail on there? He said it sounded a little bit different. No?
No, I don't.
He said it's nice and crisp and clear. When I was real close here, it's kind of normal. It didn't work too good. But
It'll still work. It'll just be degraded. It just passes straight through. Right.
Relay bypassing it.
Right. Exactly.
Yeah, I'm hearing you fine.
Fine.
I understand why you couldn't hear me before. I did drop my power down, but 5 watts on 422 here should have no problem getting into it. I'm right down at the bottom of my road there, getting ready to turn on the at Barney Brook, over.
TXG, he's coordinating
under
this.
1.5.
Right, I'll tell him about that, my wife says no
How
problem.
much feed line?
All right, so that'll get us,
Outstanding.
that'll get us
75 feet of
220.
Alamo 400.
Outstanding.
Won't be me doing it, it'll be through me.
That's fine.
It's in
Well, I'll
the
tell her what to do, okay?
She's in the Ham family, that's
Yeah.
fine.